Parotid gland versus submandibular gland versus sublingual gland. The parotid, submandibular, and sublingual glands are the three major salivary glands in the mouth, each with distinct locations, sizes, and secretory compositions. The parotid glands are the largest salivary glands and are located in front of the ears, and primarily produce watery saliva. The submandibular glands are found under the jaw and produce a mix of watery and mucous saliva. The sublingual glands are located under the tongue. They are the smallest and primarily produce mucous saliva. Let's discuss their difference in detail. Number 1. Size of glands. The parotid gland is the largest of the three major salivary glands. The submandibular gland is the second largest of the three major salivary glands. The sublingual gland is the smallest of the three major salivary glands. Number 2. Type of gland. The parotid gland is a serous gland. The submandibular gland is a mixed, both serous and mucous, gland. The sublingual gland is a mucous gland. Number 3. Location of gland. The parotid gland is located in the parotid space, just in front of and below each ear. The submandibular gland is located in submandibular triangle, beneath the mandible, and in front of the neck. The sublingual gland sits beneath the mucous membrane of the floor of the mouth. Number 4. Relationship of glands to other structures. The parotid gland is divided into superficial and deep lobes by the facial nerve. The submandibular gland is composed of superficial and deep lobes, separated by the mylohyoid muscle. The sublingual gland lies above the mylohyoid muscle. Number 5. Capsule of glands. The parotid gland is enclosed by a tough fibrous capsule. The submandibular gland is enclosed by a capsule, a continuation of the deep cervical fascia. Unlike some other glands, the sublingual gland lacks a distinct capsule, being surrounded by areolar tissue. Number 6. Duct of gland. In parotid gland, its saliva is secreted into the oral cavity through the parotid duct, also known as Stensens duct, which opens near the upper second molar. In submandibular gland, its saliva is secreted through Wharton's duct, which opens at the base of the tongue. The sublingual gland has numerous small ducts called the ducts of Rivinus, which open directly into the floor of the mouth.